Hey everyone, this is Paul from Day to Day Fixes. In this episode, I'm going to unbox this Ultraloq Latch 5 fingerprint smart lever lock that I ordered from Amazon. And this is how this box came. So this supports Alexa, Google Assistant, SmartThings, and if this then that. Here's some instructions. Comes with 4 batteries. Here's a lever. Pretty heavy. Maybe about 8 ounces. Very sturdy. Here's the second lever. And we should be able to install this at any side of the door, left or right. This looks like the inside portion. This does feel like it's plastic. Here's probably the latch, screws. You have 3 keys. And here you have the outside portion. This is rated for outdoor. It says 0.3 of a second fingerprint recognition. It says it is the world's first Wi-Fi, built-in Wi-Fi door lock. In our next episode, we will try to install this and see how it works. Again, thank you for watching.